All right. Welcome at yet another session from whichever language you're listening and watching us from. Karibu tu sana. Now, if you've been following up, you must have seen that Morara Kebaso and Kasmal, they have been together. Nikama, they have joined hands together. And if you've been also following up, you've seen that last week, some weeks ago, I think it is like 2 weeks ago, they had an inject party meeting whereby they had called you asking them to support on 27, right? I'll be showing you the video. Kuna hata video ingine they were together reading comments. Hiyo video walikuwa wamepost tu hapa hivi NGC. Look in the post. This is the post, them enjoying moments, right? And Morara has been asking Kenyans to forgive this guy. He has been asking Kenyans manze wampe second chance so that he can retrace his footsteps from where he had left ama from where he had gone wrong. But for today on this day, and that Kasmal, no, not Kasmal, I've seen that Morara again in his X account, he has come out publicly asking Kenyans to give this guy a chance to tell his story. This is the post, this is what he's saying. He's saying, give Kasmal a chance to tell you his story. I know the story, but it's not mine to tell. Many times we smile for the cameras, but deep inside is a lot of pain. This is at Nairobi Gossip Club. Let us have the full post. This is what he said. Let me start again. A human being's first instinct is survival. You cannot fight for Kenyans when you are dead. Give Kasmal a chance to tell you his story. I know the story, but it's not mine. It's not mine to tell. Many times we smile for the cameras, but deep inside is a lot of pain. Imagine sacrificing your job, your family, your business, and your safety for Kenyans, but they end up calling you a con man or a project without evidence, just because you have told them that tribal identity is not a qualification for leadership, just because you have told them that corruption cannot solve corruption. This is the pain I go through every day, but I just keep fighting. I will not stop. Even if you bring all the negative comments in this world to my post, I'm fighting to the dying end. Calling me a liar, a con man, a thief, a project, a threat, anything, I'm never going back. You may not join me today, but with time your conscience will be clear and your spirit will lead you this way. Well, that is Morara Kebaso. He is also talking about we Kenyans giving them a chance who are paid to time to see what they can do, and mostly asking Kenyans to forgive Kasmal na wampe chance apeane story yake for why he did whatever he did and why whatever happened. Right, now let us have a look at some comments tuone kama Wakenya wanakubali story. Let us have a look at some of the comments tuone kama giving in, are they buying this story of Morara Kebaso? Let me have a look at 2 or 3 comments. There we go. Starting with the work pain he brought to himself. Toka na masauti zako za takataka. That is Maina official anasema atoke hapo na sauti zake za takataka. Jamani, kwani sasa huyo jamaa Mulata anasema Morara usikue Morara ni kuwa nini sasa jamani? Alamia another comment ya Westzilla, unatetea msaliti. Jamaa mlisema mtamsamea jamani. Alamia another one hawa ni opportunist. Ni kama wase they don't want to give in, but what do you think about Morara and Kasmal? Mostly, what do you think about Kasmal? Do you think the Gen Zs are going to forgive this guy? Not a painful than of those people who lost their loved ones and later getting betrayed. Wakenya na wao wenyewe wabetray because from my point of view people kwa comment section, I'm seeing that people are really hungry. They are really hungry. Waamini, but we hope for the best. We hope that he is going to retrace his steps back and is going to do as the best. Right? In the meantime, keep locked as I bring you more and more entertainment news. Thank you.